Hi friends, do you know the national bird of India? Yes, peacock. Oh my god, what a beautiful bird! And cute also. It also known as common peafowl. Peacock is a colorful and swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers. Are you looking, friends? What a beautiful white patch under the eye and long slender neck with a glistening blue breast and a bronze green tail of around 200 elongated feathers. It represents joy, grace and beauty. It is so beautiful, that is why it is our national bird. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribe and like my channel.